Locations impacted include Goldsboro, Tarboro, Scotland Neck, Princeville, Pinetops, Stantonsburg, McLeesfield, Saratoga, Hobgood, and Canida. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Orange County, northeastern Lee County, northwestern Wake County, eastern Chatham County, Durham County, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Pittsboro, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Chapel Hill, Sanford, Pittsboro, Carrboro, RDU International, Apex, and Morrisville. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central North Carolina. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. If on or near Jordan Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for central North Carolina. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Durham, Lee, Orange, and Wake. Here is